What's up, everyone? Larissa Shanti here. This is Shanti Moves, and today we're on day 5 of the Breathing Through the Holidays series. Today we are doing Brahmari Breathing, or Brahmari Pranayama, which is also known as the bee breath, and you'll see why. So Brahmari Pranayama is really good for kind of releasing tension, especially if you have like frontal lobe tension in temples. If you're just feeling kind of in that front face area, this can be really nice for that. It's also good for anxiety if you're feeling just like in your head a lot. Any kind of mental kind of congestion, just overthinking, anything like that could be really useful to kind of destabilize that and just break it apart. There is a few different ways we can do this. Before we get started though, I did want to say one contraindication is if you have any earache, this can kind of disturb that in a way that's not so good. So if you have earaches, hold off until it gets better and then you can practice. Yeah. All right. So with Brahmari, there's 2 different ways we can practice. So one is without the hands, and I'll show you that first. So you just close your eyes and you take a nice big inhale, and then you just create this humming sound on your exhale. So you go, and you want your teeth kind of separated away from each other, and that just creates a little bit more room for the vibration to happen. And then you want the vibrational focus to kind of be right here in our anja, so our third eye area. And you'll notice as you do your humming that you can kind of direct where you want it to be in the body. So directing it up here. And then the second way we can do this is you use your hands by using your middle fingers, and you place that on those little ear flaps. So you don't have to stick your fingers in your ears. You just place them on those, I don't know what they're called, but the little front ear flaps there, and you press those in. And then you just inhale nice and deep. And then exhale. And that kind of intensifies the vibrational effect. It can get a little bit tiring for the arms, or like if you have any shoulder issues, you don't need to use the hands, yeah? So it'll be just as effective to do it without the hands. It's just a little bit more intense with the hands. Let's do 5 rounds, and then we'll come back, all right? So close the eyes. You can either choose to use the fingers or just lay them flat. Take a nice big inhale and exhale to hum. Try to make the exhale nice and long. Inhaling again. And exhale. Concentrating in that third eye area. Inhaling again. And last one. Gently remove the hands from the ears, just rest them in the lap. Take a few moments to notice any subtleties, any vibrations, any tension lost, any concentration and focus and clarity gained. Beautiful. Flutter those eyes open, nice and slow. And then just one little send off is, if you're doing this in class, know that there's always a last be, right? There's always somebody that's going to be the final person. Don't worry about being that final person. We're all humming. It's great. Don't worry about it, okay? So that's my advice to you. Thank you so much. Until next time.